All right. So, Muhammad Ali vocab test is tomorrow. Your narrative first draft is due on Tuesday. That means that you should have a big chunk of your ending written by Tuesday. We're all going to go over it together. You'll be able to read someone else's. You can give them feedback, and then you can fix anything. By that time, I would have given you any feedback that you need. Yes, Gracie?
When's the final due date?
Probably Thursday or Friday, depending on what we need. Yes, I am. The ending. Yes.
You have to do more work.
So today's target is really long, but it basically says that you can start writing a story, making sure that it goes in logical order and that it's clear who your characters are. This is today's quote. I often quote myself. It adds spice to my conversations. I'm glad you found that entertaining. I did too. All right. So, today I want you to get onto Google Classroom so you can get set up so I can help you with your project. So, log on to Google Classroom. You have time to finish reading today.
Reading what?
If you chose a new story.
My arm hurts really bad.
Go to Google Classroom, yes.
I got my second COVID shot, and this dude like yapping in my second arm.
Later. So, the first thing I want you to open up is the alternate ending narrative. You need to make sure that you have opened up this Google Doc right here that says alternate ending. After you open it up, if you have not done that already, if you've already made a copy, then you don't have to do this step. But remember, you need to open it, go to File, make a copy, and you are going to change it to the title here. So remember, I'm doing Someone Like You. And then you're also going to put the same thing up at the top. That's going to tell me which one is your graphic organizer and which one is your actual writing project.
So this is the graphic word.
That's the graphic organizer. So this one, your title starts. After you've made sure you have that document, we're going to go back to Google Classroom. And we're going to click on Dull Alternate Assignment. You need to make a copy of the graphic organizer if you have not already.
There's not an, oh, you said, you have to say alternate ending. You can't say alternate
sorry.
assignment.
Sorry. Dull Alternate Ending.
Silly goose.
I apologize.
There's nothing there.
There is not anything there. So we're going to talk about why. So obviously there is nothing there. Mine looks different than yours. Yours is going to have a box right here that says your work. First, I want you to attach the graphic organizer. So you're going to go in, you're going to click Add or Create. Remember, mine looks different than yours. Click Add or Create, and you're going to add from Google Drive. You need to find the document that has the title, alternate ending, graphic organizer, and you're going to attach it.
But our copy, right?
But your copy.
I renamed it Wish Graphic Organizer.
Perfect. Now, I want you to do one more thing because some of you are going to be ready to start typing soon. Go back up to where it says your work, and you are going to click Add a Google Doc. Add or create, and then docs, yes. It's going to pop up a brand new Google Doc. This is where I want you to start typing. You need to change it to your name, and then it's going to be dull title. So if you're doing the landlady, you need to put the landlady. If you're doing
They already put that in.
only wish,
Oh.
you need to put only wish, and then put alternate ending. So for instance, mine looks like this.
It'll show mine says only wish dot alternate ending. What is that? No.
Your Google Doc?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that fine or no?
Put your name on it too.
I know it says it's my name and then
Okay.
it's only wish dot alternate ending. I just put in only wish because it already put it in install alternate ending.
Okay. Yes. All right, so this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to be floating back and forth as you work. That helps me help you. So as you're typing and working, I can see what you're doing and I can say, hey, wait a second. You really should think about adding this in. Or you have no punctuation. Go back and fix that. So do we know what we're doing for this alternate assignment? Tuesday. First draft on Tuesday.
But like the final reading would be like
Thursday or Friday. Yes. So remember, you're going to start with the passage that your story is going to continue after. So for instance, on mine, I'm going to start mine after it says, like heck it is.
Does it say heck? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
I thought we were just trying to keep it straight.
Nope. Wouldn't there be a bloody row if it happened here? Bloody awful. Shh. We've done it lots of times. So, how I am about to change my story is I am going to, because they're talking about what if someone poisoned all of the drinks in this bar and everyone just fell dead. So I think I'm going to change my ending to be more of a doll-like ending, to where the bomber, who never hesitates, goes to the bathroom, and then, while he's away, slips something into the bottles of whiskey. Because he's talking about how death is everywhere. So, why not bring death to this bar right here, right now? That's how I'm going to change my ending. And then I can go in and put in my 3 events. What's going to happen after he slips off to the bathroom? Well, first, he has to slip off to the bathroom. There's no bomb.
But it's
He's a bomber pilot. Like, that's what his job
so
is.
like 9/11ish thing.
No. They, like, do raids. So,
Oh.
like, bombs drop from these airplanes.
So
Like, that did, I mean, whenever you think about, yes, like, when you think about 9/11, as they were trying to catch Osama bin Laden, there were raids to where they went into where they thought he was, and they dropped bombs to
you have
try
to be
and...
pretty good to hide from the U.S.
They were.
That means that like he was really good because they did not find him for like 10, 11 years.
You know they
Can we talk about this in a second? Because I have a video rolling right now.
Nobody's talking to you.
Shh, no, Gracie, I have a video rolling right now. So, are there any other questions about what's expected? Like I said, I am going to be checking from here. I can see 2 documents. I can see Elijah did not do his other document. I can see Angel has 2 documents in. I'm going to be popping in back and forth. You can listen to music as long as you have headphones because this is your independent working time.